the hell is this shit? Oh, man. Kidding. You kidding? Oh, for real?
Yeah.
What is it going to be? Pearl?
They don't know yet.
What the hell is this thing?
It's where she peed on it.
What? Plot twist.
So, look up the camera. Okay.